Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove page titles in WordPress. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you listen and follow my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to remove page title in WordPress in no time. Now let's follow these few steps together. First step is to access your WordPress account, and to do so, just go to wordpress.com and enter your account credentials. Once logged in, just go in the left sidebar right here and check if your theme allows you to hide page titles. And to do that, you have to go to appearances right here in the sidebar, click on it, and click on customize, and look for the option that allows you to hide page titles. For the second step is to edit page settings. While editing a page, look for page settings or title visibility options. Many themes offer this feature. You can look for them in the theme options right here in the edit page. This is where the page settings are. You can find them here and you can edit the page and add the new page, etc. For the third step is use a custom CSS, and to do that, add a code, CSS code in appearances. Here you can go to appearances again and choose customize right here and go to the site editor right here, and you're gonna look for a CSS code. It's written like this: dot page slash title, open the parentheses, display 2 points, none, points, comma, and close the parentheses. You can look it up in Google to write it down correctly, and that's it. And for the fourth and final step, edit the theme files. And to do that, you have to go back to appearances. Let's go back to appearances right here and click on themes and go to the file editor and edit the template file for pages, page.php file, and remove the code displaying the title. For additional tips, preview your site to ensure the layout remains intact, and use page builders like Elementor for more customization options. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.